Dear students, myself Dr.V.J.K.KISHORE, Professor in Department of ECE, Sathyabama Institute of Science and Technology, deemed to be University. This video is for the students who have already listened ideating as well as the video related to technology readiness level. And today, the big day has come. You are very clear with your idea. Now you understood what is technology readiness level. The day has come where you have to pitch your idea. In a nutshell, you are going to coxswain your journey of entrepreneurship. In this particular junction, we have certain things to look at it. So this is very, very important. The idea should have a clarity. A clarity in the sense, before you are going to pitch your idea, you should not have any confusion and you must be in a state to create a kind of surprise, a kind of novel point to the listener. The listeners can be your peers, the listeners may be your professors, the listeners may be investors, other listeners may be company people. So idea pitching is not one-time process. You are going to pitch your idea before different crowd, heterogeneous crowd, so that you should have a complete understanding without any iota of confusion about your idea, and you must be able to create an impression. And next to that, the second quality that idea should have is impact creation. What is the kind of impact that you are going to create in the listener's mindset? Because nobody takes nobody just for the sake of taking. You need to have a point to believe yourself and to make others believe. Permanent in their system to invest upon your idea. So impact creation is very important. Your mind may have this kind of state, pendulum state, but you know that a single release of one bob leads to create ripples in the other bobs. So the idea pitching should create ripples in the mind of the audience that who are going to listen your idea presentation. So impact creation is very, very important stage in idea pitching. For example, let us see this example once. This is a very, very prominent picture which has created long-lasting impression in our minds. Suppose this is your idea. This picture you are going to present. This is your idea you are going to present on the day of idea pitching. The perceptions will be different. For example, you are a civil engineering student. The same picture you can take and you can explain about the soil quality because you have dry pitches, wet pitches, different soil conditions. The pitch curator takes a lot of effort in making these pitches with the different layers. So you can explain about soil quality by taking this picture instead of talking about Mahendra Singh Dhoni. You can explain as a civil engineer the kind of pitches that you can prepare for cricket, the kind of mats you can prepare for different kinds of formats of the game. So you can play the role of a civil engineer by just showing the picture. Suppose the same picture can also be taken to explain about leadership qualities. We know what has happened in this match, the World Cup match. Mr. Dhoni has promoted him in the order, and this is a sign of exhibition of good leadership skills. The leader leading from the front. If you are an MBA student and if your idea, if your startup idea is about incubation of leadership skills, you can take this picture as an example to promote your idea and to talk about Mr. MS Dhoni's abilities to put him in the troubled waters and take the challenges. So this picture helps you in pitching your idea, exhibition of leadership skills. Suppose if you are a computer science engineer, a data scientist, even you can use this picture to explain the intensity of deep learning algorithms. Maybe last 20-30 matches of Mr. MS Dhoni in the last overs, the hard-hitting guy the statistics you may take, you can put it in an algorithm, maybe it is a CNN algorithm or SVM classifier, whatever may be the algorithm, you can put it in the artificial intelligence related algorithms. You can predict with some reasonable degree of accuracy that whether the last ball is going to be 6 or not. This is the job of a data scientist. If you are pitching the idea related to data science, even you can use the same picture to say about how your algorithm can predict whether the ball is going to fall in the hands of a fielder or into the gallery. No, you are a textile student, you are a fashion designing student, and you are showing this picture to present your idea. You can even talk about in the slag over, you may have a lot of tension among the players, how these clothes are going to absorb this sweat, what kind of fabric they might have used or you are going to use in your idea to such kind of players, and how your product can be withstanding to different playing conditions. You can explain as a fashion design student. So that means the same picture you can explain in different disciplines, the perception changes, the presentation matters, and the audience to whom you are addressing your idea matters. So my dear students, always takes a different path, become a pathfinder, a path creator, and make your entrepreneurial journey exciting. Of course, for a best idea pitching, as we mentioned in this video, we need to have clarity, we should create an impact, and we must take an approach that is very, very novel, as I have shown in this particular picture. And the next important video we are going to see is about market research. Of course, every potential idea pitching presentation has got the background as good market research. The next video we are going to have on market research. Thank you.